Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix Bluetooth issues on iPhone, like iPhone 14, iPhone 13, iPhone 12 and iPhone 11 series. So guys, let's get started this video without wasting any time. So guys, I have some simple solutions to fix this issue. So guys, first of all, install latest update on your iPhone. For this, open settings, scroll down, tap on general, tap on software update. So guys, if you haven't updated your iPhone to the latest iOS version, so first of all update your iPhone to the latest version. So I have the latest version also. So after this, go back, and the next solution is turn off Bluetooth and restart your iPhone. Turn off Bluetooth, go back and restart your iPhone. For this, or tap on power button and volume up at the same time. So drag this slider to the right, then after restarting your iPhone, open the lock screen here, and the next solution is, and next last solution is, open settings, scroll down, tap on general, scroll down, tap on reset, tap on reset, tap on reset network settings, enter your iPhone passcode, then tap on reset network settings. So guys, here are the some simple solutions to fix this issue. So guys, thanks for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe. Thank you guys, see you in the next video. Thank you.